Welcome back everyone to techie.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Coffee Meets Bagel dating app on your device. So let's get started right away. If you want to use the Coffee Meets Bagel dating app on your device, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store. Once it is opened up, tap on the search button and then type in Coffee Meets Bagel to begin your search. Now from the search results, tap on the application and you can now see the information about the app as well as reviews that have been left by users. Tap on the install button to begin the download and installation. You can also tap on the auto open toggle, which will open up the application as soon as the installation is done. Just wait for a few seconds and then you can open up the application. Once it is opened up, you can proceed with signing up for your new account or logging into an existing one to start using the Coffee Meets Bagel dating app. And there you have it. That is how you can download and install Coffee Meets Bagel on your device. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you again in the next one.